Do I just put it together in one fucking?
All right, JB Weld to fix the exhaust.
I don't know what I'm doing, dude.
You're squeezing shit out of a tube. What do you mean?
I don't even know how much I'm squeezing out.
Let me see. Move your hands. No, we need more than that. This thing is fucking huge.
I'm squeezing, dude.
I think you need more white.
Now I need more black.
Okay, now mix that. That should be plenty. That should be plenty. Okay, mix it with your fingers and then pass it to me.
Just what, like mix it like a fucking
give it like
circle?
Yeah, like a rim job.
Okay.
And then pass it to me.
Look at this. Hold on, let me mix it really good.
Okay, I could see that it's gonna start to harden.
Yeah, it's hardening.
This is what we're gonna JB Weld. From the headers to the cat. I'm Bryan's 2006 Mustang.
Dude, we'll just watch these videos ourselves.
Yeah, we won't show anybody, just us.
Alright. Alright.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Take
Pass it to me.